Hello friends, welcome back to Tiny Rooms Therapy, the channel where we make beautiful dollhouse miniatures. I'll show you how to assemble the Tiny Rooms DIY kits and give you many tips, tricks and new ideas for diorama scenes and miniature making. First I have to apologize for the really long delay. I've been busy making many beautiful custom miniature projects for incredibly lovely clients, and I have learned a lot. Working with new technology, exploring new designs and dollhouse ideas, and I have created many new DIY miniature kits. Today I'll show you how to assemble the little Bergére chairs. This is the material and this is the design. Cutting the kits with my laser machine. I love the speed and precision of the cuts. There are no burnt edges, it's clean and just golden brown. So these are the parts for one chair. The kit includes 2 of them. The little squeeze bottle contains wood glue. I'm using the silicone tip nail art tool to smooth the glue. As you can clearly see what I'm doing, I thought it might be a good idea not to talk too much. Now the front legs. Then let the glue dry for a while. This is the frame for the back cushion. Now I'm gluing on the overlays for more detailed design. When you are finished with this step, let the glue set completely. If you like this project so far, please hit the like button, I would appreciate it very much. Now it's time to paint the chair. I'm using high quality acrylic paint. It is liquid, but it has a high pigment density. This means there won't be any brush strokes visible on the miniature. The browned edges will be painted several times. And I'll paint the legs in a dark brown color. Okay, now let's make the cushions. Stick double-sided adhesive tape on the underside of the padding base. Stick the foam on the upper side, also with a piece of tape. As you can see, I'm not using the white and blue striped fabric that's included in your kit, but a cream colored one. Of course, you can use some other fabric too. This is how I make the cushions. I think it's self-explanatory. If you have questions, just let me know in the comments below. Now I am cutting away excess fabric and use glue to fix the edges of the fabric. Let this dry now. The next step is even more self-explanatory. Just put glue on the seat and back and glue the cushions in. Well, that's it already. Place the little Bergére chair in your dollhouse or diorama and enjoy your fabulous work. One more tip for you. If you at one point want to update the style of your dollhouse, you can just repaint and reupholster the chairs. The complete kit is available in my shop. The link is in the description below. Thank you for watching. If you like my comeback, please click the like and subscribe for more miniature escapism. I'll be back very soon, and I would love to meet you here again. Bye!